Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 108 in the active specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got a full service history with Howard's, and it comes with the touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. There's air conditioning, a speed limiter, and the car is also free to tax. Let's have a look around. This car has the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 68 horsepower. It's done under 20,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.